Hello everyone, I'm Pearlumie and I welcome you to the 95 of the 100 days of technical analysis. Today I'll be talking about BTC USDT on the daily time frame and the 4 hour. Maybe I might go to the 1 hour, but I really don't like analyzing BTC on the hourly time frame. Now I'm talking about what is going on in the markets, the Bitcoin market, and what I think is going to happen from here, where I think price is going from here. Okay, let's get right into it. Now, this is Bitcoin on the daily time frame, and most of what I can see here is a consolidation, and that's why I put in this box to um, I highlight where the majority of the action in the market is going on, and where the market is at the moment, because price has just been going up and down here, and it has been really boring. Okay, but what I could see is most times when BTC hits the top here, it makes its way back down to the bottom of this uh, consolidation as it should be. Okay, and now BTC made its way to the top, so I'm expecting that BTC naturally would find its way to the bottom here, but naturally it's not enough to say that okay, it is. So I am going to be talking about the things I saw that made me feel that BTC will be coming as low as this point or maybe lower, but I don't know yet. So let's check. Okay, here it is. This is the 4 hour. First thing I would like to point out here is that this is a very important point in the market because the last time price came here, we had an inverse head and shoulder pattern that pushed price to the top of this consolidation. Now, I would also like to point that when BTC entered into this consolidation, price was in a sloping, in down sloping trend line, which of course would mean that people, as time went on, people were not willing to pay much or more for Bitcoin. So that is what the downsloping trend line tells us. It tells us that from here to this point, people were unwilling to pay. The buyers were unwilling to pay money for Bitcoin above the trend line, which is why price kept declining whenever it touches the trend line. Now, what I think is that price has found support here, though I wouldn't really want to say it is a very strong support, but I believe price has found support here, and that this support would most likely push price up back to this trend line. Or I can give room for a little bit overshoot. So I'm just going to box that up. I can give room for a little bit overshoot. I'd say that okay, price might get to the trend line or maybe pass it a little, but when price gets there, and a pattern would have formed, although not confirmed, but we would be having something that looks like or something that is a head and shoulders pattern. Now, a head and shoulders pattern is the opposite of what happened here that pushed price up to this point. Okay, because this is the left shoulder, this is the right shoulder. Now we'll be having this place as the left shoulder and this place as the right shoulder if price is pushed up to this point. So if price is pushed up to this point, we might be seeing something like this. Okay, if price breaks the neckline, this is the neckline, and this is what offers the confirmation. Once price breaks there, it is confirmed as the head and shoulder after price has gotten to the box here. So if that happens, we'll be having price down here or maybe here, which is 32,500. Of course, I do not want this to happen because I actually am holding Bitcoin, okay? Bitcoin that I hold and the ones that I trade, but I'm not actually holding anyone for trading right now because after I saw this, I sold. Okay, so after this, I removed my drawings. I wanted to see something new or something different or something that would change my mind because I actually do not want BTC to go down. But then I found something, okay, which is the shark harmonic pattern, and that is what I'm trying to draw now. Okay, is the shark harmonic pattern, and yeah, the shark harmonic pattern would end somewhere here. Okay, this has not confirmed, and it is. I'm not saying it is definitely going to happen, but it has not confirmed. Although we have the X, A, B, C, and the only place left to be confirmed is the D. Okay, which is the last leg of the harmonic pattern. But whenever I have the harmonic pattern, one of the first things I do is I just plot my Fibonacci and look out for something. Okay, whenever I have my Fibonacci, I look out for the 61 Fibo, because on the C to D leg, in most cases, price when moving down hits a support and retraces to the 61.8 Fibonacci level before moving down to the end of the leg. And now this same 61 Fibonacci level is just around the down sloping trend line that I drew. So which makes it a confluence and a higher probability of happening. So that means if price does come back here, there's a higher chance that it will come as low as this. And if that happens, then this leg of the harmonic would have been completed. And trust me, whenever I see this harmonic pattern, because it is a bullish harmonic pattern, I would expect price to make it to this place at the very least, or possibly the top of this consolidation again. Okay, because this particular harmonic pattern is a bullish one, so I would expect price to make its way back up to this place, but we have not even hit the 61 Fibo yet, so let's take it easy. So I would like to go to the hourly charts to just see a few things on the hourly chart. Okay, this is the hourly chart. Let me remove this. Okay, apart from the big head and shoulders I can see here, I think I can see some a little upsloping trend lines here. Though just something like this, but I don't really like trading on the hourly time frame for BTC. Something like this in a downtrend for me would mean that price is at, I'm still expecting price to go down. Upsloping trend lines in a downtrend is just like a retracement, or sometimes a half staff pattern that will continue downwards. Okay, so till I do another video, have fun and happy trading. Bye.